Okay, so there is a number of silhouette statues that are along this highway. There's a couple more, all the way down to Kempton from Tunbury, I think. Tunbury to Kempton. We saw a lady standing on a hill the other day and a couple of emus, which came upon us before we realised that it was a thing. So now we're on the lookout for these things. There's 16 of them, I think.
They tell a story of them.
So they tell a story of the pioneering days, because this is the pioneering highway between Hobart and Launceston.
What are we doing today, babe?
Oh look, today's a very exciting day.
Every day's exciting.
Yes, that's true.
Another adventure.
That is true. Today is particularly exciting for those of us who are part Scottish. We're going to Bothwell, a Scottish town, and they have the oldest still functioning or still operating golf club outside of Scotland. So today, Monique and I are going to tread the light fantastic in 35km/h winds.
And we don't play golf.
To play golf, which we don't normally do.
I think I've played 2 games of golf in my whole life.
Yes. And we're going to play with the old-fashioned hickory clubs. Hope I don't break one.
Karen found it in her brochure. It's worth getting your brochures from information centre.
And read them.
The website of this golf club, and they don't even advertise it on there. So
Yeah.
Karen asked the lady. She goes, "Oh yes,
Yeah, you can do that. Yeah, it's at the Ratho farm at Bothwell, and they're keeping the tradition going, which is really wonderful. And you can even stay there. They've got accommodation there, so it's amazing. So we're off to Bothwell, the Scottish town, which is exciting for my ancestors who are coming along for the ride today.
it's pretty special."
It is pretty special. So this was the Templars' Hall in 1876. They believed in abstinence from drink, and this was called the House of No Surrender. During that time, Bothwell had 4 hotels, so they needed a place of abstinence.
So we can film our healthy options as well. Look at that. It's not all about cakes. Yum. It's a nice healthy salad.
Oh, look, we're here at the old golf course, the windswept Scottish golf course. This is at the Ratho farm. So when you come here, you go up to the homestead and you get your gear.
Oh, look at that.
A Highland cow. So here we are, we're getting ready to go and play golf in true historical style. And this is me. Look at that, what an outfit. It's the bonny wee lassie looks excellent. So we're going off to play a round of golf.
So here we are. We just got to find the course.
One. That's not very helpful, is it?
There's a map of the whole thing somewhere. try and chip it over this. Oh, and she does! Nice!
Hard work, Gold.
Lucky we only did 9 holes, but
Yeah.
we've clocked over 5Ks.
Yeah. 10 Ks if you play at full 18.
So what's the verdict, Cass?
The verdict's in, and the verdict is that you cheated.
Oh, I did not. You scored.
You did. You beat me by 5 strokes. In the end, it was a thrash. 5 strokes in 9 holes is terrible.
Is it?
Yeah, that's a thrashing.
I don't think so.
It's a bloody thrashing.